All right, you guys, if you guys are tuning in, this is a new video. We just got some races done in Mexico. Make sure to watch the old video. I'll put it linked in the description, but now my boy's actually gonna let me drive the 6th gen, so let's go see what the ponies got. About to close the hood real quick. Guys, deadass, make sure to watch the recent video. It was some great races. Dope ass guy. I'll have all his link in the description. But today, we're gonna go drive the 1LE SS, my fault. Sheesh.
I'm kind of stuck between kind of like, I was gonna put it up for sale actually. Yeah,
I saw your post. Your post. You were like, so, oh, should I keep it on my hands or should I put it up to sell?
Yeah, so, I'm trying to get into a Z06, man.
Dude, my boy's gonna pull out the big guns, dude, bro.
As soon as I drove, I was like, dude, this is nice, man.
You test drove a Z06?
Yeah, my buddy has one. He's been blowing up on Instagram. Everyone's like been following him.
Oh yeah?
Maybe you.
Oh, I know who he is. Yeah. I don't follow him, but I know who he is. Yeah, I seen his stuff before on my Instagram.
We got some pictures up in up in the freaking mountains, and he's like, "Yo, switch me," and I was like, "Yeah, let's do it."
Yeah,
dude, that thing is fucking.
Is it stick shift?
Yeah, his is. So this is the weird thing. They have a 7 speed.
So I'm pretty sure the 3rd and the 5th and the 7th is like.
I've never driven a 7 speed. That was my first time driving it.
How was it?
That freaking just the whole freaking transmission general is smooth, man. It's nice, man. It's like nice. I don't know. I would take the 7 speed over this any day.
Oh yeah?
It's that nice.
Dude, that's dope. That's dope.
But yeah, let's go for
it. All right, let's go. I'm about to just I'm probably just gonna move my car over here just for a little bit and then we'll go. All right, you guys, I'm gonna just move my car real quick. Guys, this dude is like super cool, bro. This is literally the boy. I'm gonna just move my car. He's actually gonna let me test drive his car, so it's gonna be lit. Let's go see. All right, my boy, looks like we're ready. You're probably taller than me, so you might Sheesh. All right, guys, so we're hopping in the SS. Sheesh. Dude, this interior, this cockpit is.
Dude, I was looking at a 5th gen, man. I was like, nah, man, I gotta go.
Yeah, dude, the 6th gen is 6th gen is something else. All right, let me just get a little feel for the clutch.
From what I've heard, it's pretty freaking chill to drive. It's not that bad, but you get the hang of it.
Put this right here, bro. Is that okay?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, bro. Like I said, the only time I test drove one of these was the day that I was gonna get one. Like I wanted to get one, but it didn't work out. So let's see. Clutch is super smooth though. Okay. Bro, this shifter. And then and your parking brake is right here, huh?
Yep. Is yours the same?
No. Mine has a like e-brake and stuff like that.
I miss that, man.
Yeah.
I miss that.
So when I was test driving one of these, I was like, wow, this is a parking brake. I'm not used to that. Dude, how is it?
It's not that bad, man. You get used to it, but I think I would still probably prefer
get the manual e-brake.
Old fashioned, yeah. But I mean, I can't complain. It's not like it's. Sheesh. Every once in a while, you forget that it's on and I drive and it's like, I was like, oh shit.
Bro, I love this interior, bro. And this shifter. Is this aftermarket or is this?
So this right here is it's literally the same one as the OEM one. It's just a different material.
Okay. So, dude, this feels so good though.
Yeah.
It's a short throw. You got a short throw?
No.
Bro,
stock,
this is hecka good.
Stock, man.
Damn. So guys, if anybody wants to get an SS, bro, pull the trigger, bro. Pull the trigger, because this thing is freaking nasty. But all right, guys. So we're gonna get going. We're gonna go get see a little baby pool. Maybe a little baby pool. Let's go see what's up. Get the little driver mod kicking in. Let's go see. Let's go see. Hopefully I don't stop. Oh, bro. Sheesh. This clutch, bro. It's so easy. It's so way easier than mine. I just revved the heck out of it right now. Oh man. All right. Let's go see. Oh, dude, that torque, bro. Hey, see, I don't have that in the 5.0, bro. My 5.0 is not torquey like this.
You got that top end.
Yeah, that's what I was telling my boy, that my top end on those Gen 3 Coyotes are nasty though.
Dude,
they are nasty. Like I can't front that, but the torquiness on this, that's the reason why I had my other Camaro. I was like, the torque. I fell in love with the torque.
Yeah, I'm not too low, so just take a little bit of an angle when you're chilling. All right. Like probably that way.
Let's see.
Ooh, curve it more.
Let's see. I'm not even in gear. Sheesh. Oh, I am not used to the clutch. All right, cool. All right, cool. All right, sorry guys. I'm like revving his car. I'm not used to the clutch. It's just so smooth. So it's like, sheesh.
Oh, and the rev match is on too. So.
Oh, the rev match is on? Okay, cool. And then to turn it off is just hit it again, right?
Yeah, but pretty much like the pedals.
Oh man, this shifter, bro. This is so smooth. Woo! Oh man, this shifter is better than mine. What, I cannot lie. This
I had a good time driving the 500 when I drove it.
Yeah, did you drive a 6-speed too?
I drove, yeah, it was a 6-speed, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't get on as much, which I fucked up there, but
okay.
I'll censor that out.
Do a little downshift. Rev match is on, guys. 40. So then it's just going to second, right?
Let's go to second.
Oh my god. This thing is so torquey, bro. Dude, every time I see a 6th gen or like how you're letting me drive right now, bro, it kind of makes me think like, did I make the right choice? Did I make the right choice? But I do love my car.
Dude,
I love my car, but dude, like you literally, like that guy said earlier, you cannot hate these cars.
Dude, you can't, man.
You just can't. Like it's just. Shifts are crispy, bro. I love this shift knob. Oh my god. Yeah. Like right now I'm kind of getting used to your clutch, so it's getting a little easier.
Yep. So not too many people know about them, especially with the manuals, that you get no lift shift. So if you're on the gas and you're like past 5,500, if I remember correctly, you don't need to let your foot off the gas. You literally just push it to next gear and that's it. And the
no way.
Yeah, man.
Bro.
I always forget that I have it too.
This thing is freaking nasty, bro. All right, better take off right there than the other ones. Oh, this. Oof.
When you take on the traction control, which was I was dumb for forgetting about that. That's when you have a shit ton of fun, man. It will just.
Oh, dude, I bet.
Yeah. So that's the thing with this one is that, you know, because it is an electronic throttle, it like will try to prevent you from, you know.
Oh, okay. Dude, that torque kicks in right away, bro. My torque doesn't kick in till like 45, 50.
Really?
Like around 5,000, yeah.
It kicks in.
Hey, but it kicks, yeah, when it kicks in pretty nice. So. Geeking out, bro. This is so dope. This is so dope. This is so sick.
See if you can try doing that no lift shift.
How is that though? So yeah, so
pretty much, like I said, you're gonna be driving like anything else. Just once you're over 5,500, like 5,000 and a half, just
shift it, but don't let off the gas.
Don't let off the gas.
Is it always on?
It knows when you're on the throttle, so you don't have to turn anything on. You're just chilling.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna notice that it pulls differently. Like it will keep like, it's not like the Z01 or Super where it keeps making moves, but it's just you guys can make the difference.
Guys, that rev match, dude. Oh my god. It's like I want to do it myself because I'm so used to mine. Like since I don't have rev match, guys, I'm kind of like hitting the gas too, but it just does it by itself. So I'm like, bro.
Yeah, it does it so smoothly too.
It gets you like right in the exact like thing. Yep. Oh man. All right, so you said. So just when you're hitting it and it passes.
Yep. So just literally just
55.
Yeah, keep your eye on RPMs. Once you're past 5,500, you don't need to let off the gas. Just literally just do clutch in, next gear.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Where's that torque? Oh snap! All right, so we're gonna do a no lift shift on a 60. Let's see if we can do that one real quick. GM made a monster, guys. Like, if you guys want to go, if you guys are choosing honestly between an SS or a 5.0, you can't beat this. Honestly, this has, knowing that it's a base, it's crazy because mine is a base too, and mine doesn't have nothing close to this, bro. Like, I don't have touchscreen, I don't have none of that. I don't have none of that. So guys, if you guys are choosing between one of those two and your price ranges are on a base model, they're sort of like they're around the same price of 5.0 and this. So honestly, this has way more stuff, guys. Honestly, like, that's coming from me that I'm a like GT owner. This is freaking crazy, guys. Oh man. But I can't even be mad because I was gonna get one of these two, so honestly, it's all good. I can't even be mad, bro. It's just, dude, I just love this cockpit too. It's so like,
it's nice, simple.
It's so, yeah, I don't know, like, it's so driver though. It's so driver like going, you know what I mean? Like, mine is more like, I feel like you could just be like, it looks a little more chill. This is literally like you're like in a fighter plane or something. Like, it's just so into you. That's what's so dope. See, like, I don't even have the digital dash, bro. Oh, I don't have none of that, dude. So it's like, the digital dash is so nasty, bro. Have you seen it? That thing is disgusting. That digital dash, they do sell it, but it's like $2 grand. Damn, what? $2 grand just for a digital dash. It's pretty crazy. The only thing that I wish that I had on this one was just a sound system. That's the girls, you kind of can't go wrong with that one. Oh, I bet, bro. Let's see.
Keep making more power if you want a more smooth kind of like power band. Headers are your next go-to, man. I was like, fuck.
Once you get headers on this, like, this thing sounds so good already, but when you get headers, bro, you're gonna wake up the dead. That's all I'm saying. You gotta wake up the dead, bro.
I know a lot of people look at it, they don't do like, they keep the stock exhaust, they only do like headers, that's it.
And it's so loud, dude. It's so loud.
Power too, it's like $800.
The stock OEM, like, just muffler sounds so good. Like a Camaro stock, it sounds so much better than a Mustang stock. Any day. Like, when I want to go test drove it and he turned it on, I was like, this is stock?
Right?
I was like, bruh.
Alright, so yeah, so what are you gonna use, sir? Just literally go to the throttle, past the 500, don't let off the clutch. So keep it literally just keep your foot on the gas, straight down. Alright, cool.
I'm like used to the visibility, but I don't think this is bad at all. Dude, honestly, man, bro,
I heard so much about
so much people talk about the visibility being so bad on this, and it's not even bad.
The thing is, seat position, man. If you get in a proper seat position where you can see everything, it's not bad at all, man.
Exactly.
I remember everyone always asks me too, they're like, dude, how do you see out of that thing? I'm like, dude, I see fine.
Dude, it's fine. Maybe also, I don't know. Obviously, on mine, I gotta admit though, I do see a little more, like on my shoulder, on my 5.0. Yeah. But this is not bad at all. I literally see everything, and it might be because I used to have an SS, so I kind of the visibility on that was like kind of sort of like this, so I might be kind of used to it too. But guys, this is not bad at all. This is literally like I see everything fine. So people do talk bad about the visibility though, but it's not bad at all.
I saw watch a review, man. That's the big thing here. I'm like, no, man, no, just gotta get used to it, man.
Exactly.
If you drive it with a bad seat position, like I think the first time I touched like a Camaro, dude, I couldn't see anything out, man. But that was because I didn't adjust the seats.
Is it cool if I go straight a little more?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, dude, you're the boy, bro. Oh my god, he literally let me drive his car. Oh my god, this is crazy. We got views on views. Look at the sky. Look at this. Bro, this is dope. This is dope. Bro, I bet you be breaking so many necks with this.
Dude, I think the biggest thing that sold me and that made me want to get into the jet was the sound, man. The sound.
Oh, the sound, bro. It's so... Riding in it right now, it's so different compared to mine. Because the 5.0, I feel like it's a very high pitch. Like, it's very like... When I'm in the high RPMs, it's just loud and like... kind of sort of like the tone is way different.
Yeah, dude, I like it. I think it sounds super aggressive.
I love this tone. I'm not gonna lie, this tone is really good. Yeah, like it has like a very like muscle, like different type of tone. I don't know how to describe it. It's just very different tone.
More, like low kind of girly.
Yeah, exactly.
One of the things that like kind of like threw me off when I got the X-Trap was like the fact that it's pretty quiet in here, man. Like there's not much drone at all.
Yeah, no drone in here. That's what I tell you that.
So it's the Corsa and literally just the sound installation from the car. They did a pretty good job. So like it's pretty quiet in here, but on the outside it's a lot louder. Dude,
but that rev, bro, I'm barely hitting the gas and it revs so loud. Oh my gosh. I love this though, bro. Your car is amazing, bro. I love it. I love it, man.
That's the simple, man. Nothing too crazy.
Yeah, dude. It's just so nice, bro. Like, I love how the fitment on your car is too. Literally,
I'm telling you, man. That right there was kind of so. The company that reached out to PK Auto Design, I saw that they were doing quite a bit of like aggressive setups on Mustangs and Camaros, and I reached out to them and I was like, "Yo, guys, I'm trying to get these wheels. Do you guys think you can help me out with like a pretty cool little aggressive setup?"
Okay,
like,
okay.
Yeah, man, we'll get it taken care of. Well, how concave do you want? I was like, "Yeah, it's a little bit concave, nothing too crazy." And they're like, "Yeah, we'll take care of it." So that, like I said, I wasn't expecting it to look like this. That with the springs together, it kind of just like felt perfectly. And I was like, "Dude, this is
oh, bro, I bet." Let's go right here. Freaking beautiful, bro. I love the drop. It's just like, it's amazing.
I was worried that when I dropped it, it was gonna be like, oh shit,
too much.
Yeah, I gotta take things sideways. I can't do anything.
Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of taking these turns like at a pretty good angle. I don't have to do a whole like, cause I see a lot of people, they go like a whole like zigzag.
Like coilovers.
Yeah, and I just did that right now, guys. Like just to the little side a little bit, and this thing is perfect. All right, and then is it up right here?
Yeah, so just put foot on the brake, and then press up.
That's it. Yo, my boy. Dude, you're the freaking man for this, bro.
You, I got you, man.
I love this, bro. I love this. I'm gonna just get a little video from the outside. I love it. I love it. You changed the whole Chevy bow tie too, huh? Bro, this looks so nice. The original one looks good, but this one looks...
Dude, I just wanted to go for the whole red on black everything.
It looks so good, bro. Oh, you literally made this car how it's supposed to be.
You're right.
You made this car how it's supposed to be. Jeez.
Yeah, so pretty much, I'm not sure if you're on YouTube right now, so what this has pretty much in terms of like the bodywork.
Okay.
Has the street scene front splitter.
Noticed that.
Blackout for these DR. I forgot what they call little chrome DRL things.
Oh, were they like a different color before?
Yeah, so they're chrome on.
Oh, okay.
The only ones that haven't blacked out are the one on these.
Oh, gotcha.
This bow tie to the black one. Yeah, so it's on Eibach, lowering speed for the front, Stance SFO1 wheels on Nito tires, RPI design, side skirts.
Nice, man.
These little rear bumper rattles are pretty sick. ACS rear diffuser, ACS rear deck spoiler, and then once again, the same guy who tuned the car, CC&C NorCal, he got these taillights.
The tail lights.
Force exhaust, and that's pretty much it, dude. Nothing too crazy. But dude, I just wanted to kind of like have something where it was like nice and clean, nothing too like not too much overkill.
How you saying you wanted your car? This is literally how it is. This is so sick.
Right now, all this is
damn.
But I gotta learn how to make yours now.
No, dude, you're good, bro. You were doing good, no lie. Guys, we did get some little runs in Mexico. Make sure to watch that video. I have that all linked in the description. I'll have all my boys' stuff linked in the description. His YouTube channel, make sure you guys go subscribe to his YouTube channel also. And just his Instagram, everything, because this dude has a freaking crazy build. But now, I'm gonna let you drive the 5.0, bro. You gotta drive the 5.0. You gotta drive the 5.0. All right, sounds good. All right, guys, we're gonna go on the drive on the 5.0, because this is a whole different thing compared to that. But yeah, this is the video. If you guys liked it, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. I'll see you all next time. Peace.